Loose thermostat wire connections are a sneaky cause of heat and air conditioning problems that can drive homeowners nuts with on and off system behavior. You know when your heating or cooling just won't stay steady? It might be that the wires behind your thermostat aren't snug enough. First, pop off the thermostat cover and gently push each wire firmly into its terminal. Don't just nudge it, really make sure it's in there tight. Give each wire a little tug to see if it slips out. If it does, that's your problem right there. Next, check the wires where they connect to the control board inside your furnace or air handler. It's the same idea, gotta be secure. Sometimes corrosion or dirt can mess with the connection too, so if things look grimy, clean them carefully. After you tighten everything up, test your system to see if the heat or AC runs smoothly without random shutoffs. Also, double check that wires aren't frayed or broken because even a small nick can cause trouble. Keeping these connections solid helps prevent annoying intermittent system failures. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with thermostat wiring is ignoring loose connections that cause intermittent heating and cooling issues, which often leads to calling a technician unnecessarily. Fix it by simply pushing wires firmly into terminals and testing their grip. Another common issue is mixing up the wires at the thermostat or control board, which can cause the system not to respond at all. Labeling wires before disconnecting helps avoid this confusion. Lastly, neglecting to check for corrosion or dirt on terminals can result in poor electrical contact and system glitches. Clean those terminals gently with fine sandpaper or a contact cleaner and ensure everything is dry before reconnecting. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right without the hassle. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients looking for heating and air conditioning fixes, making the whole process easier for everyone.